Hello students, in this video we will discuss CBSE class 10 NCERT Maths textbook chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry exercise 8.4 the last subdivision in the fifth question, that is the 10th subdivision. Okay, so let's see what identities are given and what we need to do. Okay, this question is slightly different from the rest of the question, but it's a very easy one. Here you see you are given three things, that is you are given like A is equal to B is equal to C. Okay, so what we are able to see is this is the simplest one. So we are going to try to prove A is equal to C and B is equal to C. If we are able to do that, then we can say all these three are equal. Okay, so first we will consider the first identity which is given here. Okay, so what is the first identity here? I'm going to consider is going to be 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. Okay, well let me take this to be LHS 1. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write cot square A in terms of tan square A because my final answer is only tan square A. Okay, so I'll write 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus 1 by tan square A. So now take the LCM, you will have 1 plus tan square A divided by, it is tan square A plus 1. I can again write it to be 1 plus tan square A divided by tan square A. Okay, so now if I'm going to take it here, I will have to reciprocate it. So I will have 1 plus tan square A into tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So I'll cancel these two. I'll end up with tan square A, which is my right hand side. Okay, I've proved that my LHS 1 is equal to my right hand side. Okay, now let me take the second left hand side. 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A the whole square. So 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square. Okay, this is my left hand side 2. Okay, so now again I am going to do the same thing. Cot A I'll write in terms of tan A. So 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus 1 by tan A the whole square. Okay, so what I will get now? I will get 1 minus tan A divided by tan A minus 1 by tan A the whole square. Again take this to the numerator, so you will have 1 minus tan A into tan A by tan A minus 1. Okay, now I can write 1 minus tan A as minus of tan A minus 1. Correct up? So I'll get minus tan A plus 1, right? So 1 minus tan A, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it as minus of tan A minus 1. See, everything is in square, don't forget it. Tan A minus 1 into tan A divided by tan A minus 1. Okay, so will these both get cancelled? Yes. So now I have minus tan A the whole square, which is nothing but tan square A, which is my right hand side. So now my left hand side 2 is also equal to my right hand side. Okay, so from this I can say that my left hand side 1 is equal to my left hand side 2 is equal to my right hand side, hence proved. Okay, so it's very easy, don't get confused at all. Okay, quickly we'll go through the sum again. Okay, so what is given here in your question? So you have one left hand side, another left hand side, and then you have your right hand side here. Okay, so it's something similar to this. So I'm just taking it one by one and bringing it to tan square a. So I'm taking this, converting it in terms of tan square a. Okay, so I'll be getting the final answer as tan square a. Again, here it's in square, so please don't make any mistake. Be careful so that you don't go wrong anywhere. Only in this you should be careful because we are doing this small change. Okay, why we are doing this is because I want to cancel it. I can cancel it only if it is going to be tan a minus 1. That is why I am changing it. Okay, if not, I can just do it as it is. I can even change this to 1 minus tan a and put a minus sign here itself. So anyway I can do, both are going to be correct only. Okay, so thus we are able to complete this. With this we are completing exercise 8.4 completely. If you have any doubt in any of the sums, please go through the videos once again and try to understand. See you again in another video, children. Thank you, children.